In early August of 2025, a National Plant Services cleaning and multi-sensor inspection crew mobilized to Seattle, Washington as a subcontractor to Flatiron Dragados. Our task was to clean and inspect a stretch of 42-inch diameter combined sewer constructed in 1934 for Seattle Public Utilities. Due to the layout of this interceptor and location through a busy intersection, the work was completed at night, and a creative approach was developed by our project team of NPS, SPU, and Flatiron Dragados to inspect this pipe without an above-ground bypass. Our first task was to perform a pre-cleaning inspection to observe current conditions, including debris levels, before we washed any evidence away. Visually, the pipe appeared to be in excellent condition, especially for its age, but significant debris and large obstacles were encountered. After completion of the pre-inspection, we began our cleaning work. Step cleaning was performed on each pipe segment to pull debris toward the vacuum hose so that all solids could be removed. We encountered large rocks and bricks as well as part of a brick maintenance hole. A total of 30 tons of rock and gravel debris were removed, which will provide increased capacity during rain events. Once all cleaning was completed, it was time to perform the PACP-coded CCTV and LiDAR inspections. Before every inspection, the LiDAR scanner is calibrated to ensure accuracy. Our objective was to observe the condition of the invert without any flow and to measure the inside dimensions of the pipeline. The NPS MSI crew set up the robot and placed it in the pipe right before the low flow period. Flatiron Dragados then placed a solid blocking plug upstream to stop the flow of water. One pipe section was inspected during each flow diversion, returning to the start manhole before the plug was deflated and removed. The invert was observed and found to be in good condition, with only 2 locations showing minor wear. Our proprietary LiDAR software produces a 3D dimensional walk-through model of the inside of pipelines. Green represents as-built condition, with yellow, orange, and then red indicating increased levels of concrete wall loss. As you can see from our laser results, the pipe was found to be very close to original as-built condition. Taps and deep joints can also be measured. There was little concrete loss even at this major tie-in. The results show that this pipe is holding up well, with many more years of serviceable life remaining.